That's it, everyone. Good job. Keep those push-ups going.
We have to go. The barometer is dropping fast.
Look at my phone. It's a flood warning.
The water is rising fast. This way, everyone!
Come on, push harder. I've got the door open. Hurry.
Oh no, I'm slipping!
Hold on.
I've got you both.
We need to set up the sleeping mats here. Let's check on the elders and their medicine.
Easy now, you can do it. I don't think we can save everyone.
Together.
An injured stork.
Muscles help, but friendship saves lives.